Hi friends, this is Ami Venki. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So today I have come up with a video. It's a makeup video. I'm going to show you how I got my mom ready for Onam. So you can see that it's a very heavy makeup look which I have created. My mom is already in the Kerala sari. She was a little bit hesitant and I really had to convince my mom to come up for this video filming, but I'm sure that after the entire makeup being done, she's very happy with the makeup which I have done. So let's see. You can see that it's a very heavy traditional kind of a makeup which I have done. So let's get started. So first I'm going to prep the skin. For that I'm taking Himalaya Nourishing Face Moisturizing Lotion. I'm taking a little bit of it. Here I'm being very liberal. I'm liberally taking the moisturizer and I'm applying it all over the cheeks, the chin, everywhere, all over the face, and also on the forehead, and then I'm going to apply it on the neck and also on ear, and basically wherever you're going to apply the makeup, you make sure that you are prepping the skin with the moisturizer. Don't forget to apply the moisturizer on the eyelids also. Then I'm using Lakme Absolute Skin Cover Foundation here. It's White Intense foundation. I'm taking a little bit. I'm taking around two pumps, hardly 2 pumps of foundation I'm taking here, and this is White Intense Skin Cover Foundation. I'm taking a little bit of it and I'm starting with the area around the eyes. I'm starting with the cheeks and then I'm applying a little bit of it. You can see that I'm using my ring finger because ring finger gives the least amount of force. Then I'm applying it all over the face and I'm only dabbing it. I'm not massaging it. I'm just dabbing the foundation on the skin. Now the foundation is done. Then I'm going to set the foundation with Lakme 9to5 Flawless Matte Compact. Take a little bit of compact and dab it all over the face to make sure that the foundation is set. Some people prefer the dewy look or the look without using a compact. It is very well your choice. If you want to leave it with the foundation without having it set, you can very well leave it like that. I would say that it's a personal choice what you want to do, whether you want to whether you want to carry that dry matte look or you would prefer the dewy moisturized kind of a look. If dewy look is your preference, then you can very well skip the compact part. But if you use the compact, then the makeup would last for longer. You will not have the situation where the makeup gets washed away. Then I'm taking Lakme 9to5 Eye Color Quartet and I'm using this to create fullness in the eyebrows. I'm using Smoky Glam here. From that I'm going to take a shade which is nearest to the eyebrows. I'm taking a shade which is nearest to the eyebrows. It's nearly charcoal color. I'm taking a little bit of it because we do not want the eyebrows to be glaringly loud. So I take a little bit of it and apply it gently. Whenever you're doing your eyebrows, make it a point that you're doing it as gentle as possible. We want the eyebrows to look natural. If you're going to put more force while you're doing the eyebrows, then the eyebrows would look very artificial. So use very gentle feather light strokes when you are doing your eyebrows. Now I'm done with the eyebrows as such. Then the next step is the eyeshadow. For that I'm using Lakme 9to5 Eye Color Quartet in the shade Desert Rose. And here with the sponge tip applicator, you can see that I'm taking the shade which is shown here. I'm taking that liberally and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelids. I take the shade and I apply it all over the eyelids. I take this liberally. This helps to hide the dark eyes, or if there's a, if there is darkness around the eyelids, this helps to hide it. Then I take the lighter shade and I apply it just below the eyebrows and also the inner corner of the eye. So I take the lighter shade, I apply it just below the eyebrows and at the inner corner of the eye. This is to create a highlight. This will make sure that your eyebrows and your eyes are very well projected. Then I'm using Lakme Insta Liner. I'm doing the eyes very heavy here. I'm going to line the eyes very heavy and very bold. I'm going to create that winged eyeliner, and it's going to be really heavy. You have to be slow while you're doing the eyeliner, because if you're going to do it in a jiffy, then what is going to happen is the eyeliner is going to get spread all over. This might take away the eyeshadow which you have already applied. So go slow, don't be in a hurry. Apply the eyeliner as slow as possible so that by the time you finish applying on the one eye and you reach the other eye, it is already dried. I'm giving one more touch to the wing. Sometimes what happens is once you open the eyes, the wings lose the touch with the eyes. So just make sure that. Now it might look a little glary, but no problem. Once you do the kajal, the look will be complete. Yeah. It might look glary now, because the eye makeup is incomplete, it's going to look glary, but once it is completed, it's going to look really nice and graceful. Now finish the eyes by applying Lakme Iconic Eye Kajal at the waterline. At the waterline, I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal. And I'm finishing the eye. Make sure that you are giving the outline of the eyes very beautifully. You're not leaving anywhere. So you can see that I'm doing the same with both the eyes. And then I'm using Ayur Banana Lip Balm to moisturize the lips. Always moisturize the lips before applying lipstick. Apply lip balm. Again, apply it liberally. If you feel it's too much, then you can just wipe away the excess. Now I'm using Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Mascara on the eyelashes. Always apply mascara from the bottom of the lashes towards the end of it. Again, apply 2 to 3 coats of mascara to create that fuller look. On both the eyes, apply the mascara. And then I'm using Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color in the shade Ruby Velvet on the lips. If you feel that the lip balm used is excess, you can wipe away the excess of it and then apply the lipstick. I'm totally skipping the use of lip liner pencil here and directly using the lipstick. Then I'm taking the Kumkum from iTex. It's a Kumkum stick to put the sindoor part. This is a very good Kumkum stick. This maintains that neat look. And then here goes the bindi. Yes, I can see my mom smiling. Yes, finally this is happening. Yeah, she's checking herself in the mobile. Yeah, is it okay? She's still confused, I think. But now she's all her doubts have gone away. She's ready. I'm trying on the earrings and the neck piece. Yes, she is still not very convinced. She's trying to see. She's giving it 2 or 3 thoughts, I think. Yeah. So this is the final look that's been created. So now You can see the eye makeup also. She's just looking at me. She's she's embarrassed. Well, she has $1,000,000 smile, I would say. So people, here is the finished look. So wishing you all a happy Onam. So enjoy. So you also can try out this makeup and see how is it going to be. If you have any doubts, you can get in touch with me. If you have any feedback, to let me know. Drop down your comments in the comment box. And do like my videos. Share them with your friends and family who have the same kind of interest. And do subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is my biggest motivation to go forward and make more videos like this. Finally, my mom is very happy with the makeup that I've done. This is the kind of expression that I see on my mother's face when she's really happy. Yeah, so bye everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. So this is Ambi Venki signing off. Ta-da!